Hi everyone, this is Anna. I'm back. We are going to start stamping. If you're watching this on YouTube, this is part of my Facebook group live catalog kickoff party. But we are going to make this really pretty and simple card using the new Forever Greenery bundle of products in the Stampin' Up catalog. This is on pages 108 and 109. And the Forever Greenery suite includes some beautiful designer papers. It also includes some amazing gold die cuts we're not going to use on this project. It includes this amazing stamp set with the coordinating dies. And let's see, there's embossing folders and some pretty green hoops and some ribbon and trim that are included in this product suite. So we are going to make a very simple project here, and let's get started. So for this, we need a Just Jade card base. We need a piece of that designer paper that measures, hold on just one second, 4 inches by 5.5. We need 2 pieces of white cardstock. One measures 2.5 by 3 3/4. One measures 1 inch by 3 1/4. So we'll do our stamping on these 2 pieces. I am using Pretty Peacock ink. I love this color. It coordinates with this product suite. So I'm going to ink up my stamp real good. And we are going to stamp 3 times without re-inking to get that faded effect. I thought that looked really nice. Stamp once. Stamp twice, stamp 3 times. I love that fading. And now I have the stamp that says Love and Laughter Forever After. Really like the fonts on this set. And there we have that. Now we are just going to stick this together really fast. When I was looking at projects to make for tonight, I was debating what to make and how complicated to make my projects. And I had already made my other 2, and I was looking for something simple to make. And when I realized I hadn't used anything from this product suite yet, and it was perfect because I pulled it out and thought, well, this is perfect to do a really simple card with, because it's so beautiful by itself. You don't really need to do a lot with it. So I'll put that on, and I am going to put some dimensionals on the back of this piece to pop it up. And I decided to put it on over this way. I debated for a little while where I should put that, but that's where I decided. And then, since it seems like maybe a wedding or an anniversary card, I decided some pearls would be nice. This one, I put them all over here. On this one, I'm going to spread them around a little bit. So there you go, a really quick and simple project with the Forever Fern stamp set and that beautiful designer paper. So thanks for joining in. I will be back soon with another project.